So guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing something very different today. So I bought myself a Jag, right? So I was working on the van, obviously you may have seen that video. I'll put a link in the description or up there somewhere. And I bought this Jag to run around in, and there's just a few things that need sorting out on it, one of which is this. There you go. The bonnet struts are absolutely knackered on this, so we're going to be replacing them today, and hopefully this will keep the bonnet up, because obviously there's a few other things that need doing on the engine, so we need the bonnet to stay up. And obviously if I was selling this car, I don't want it landing on someone's head. So here we go. First thing you need to do, get yourself some new struts and find yourself a stick, because you will need this to hold your bonnet up. Now the hinges on either side, let's get the camera. So here we are with the struts, and the hinges are there. So obviously when we remove the struts, the weight of the bonnet will be completely on the hinges, and the struts will not work at all, because obviously taking them off. So we'll do this now and hopefully get these struts, new struts on. Now the best thing to do is do them one at a time, don't do them both at a time, because if you need to drop the bonnet for any reason, at least you've got one of them on and not the other one. So let's get started. So there's usually a clip on them. This will remove it from the actual ball joint thing there. So what you do is you get a screwdriver in and prise it out. So what I'll do is try and find my tripod thing now. I've just lost it. I had it a minute ago, and then we'll film it in situ. So you should be able to get a screwdriver up there and just pop the spring off. It might go flying like that, and that should prise off like that. So that's the first one, and then we can do the same again on the bottom one. There you go. So there's it. Now they're still quite strong, but when you think about the weight of the bonnet that's on that, you know, it's not going to work, is it? So there's, like I said, these little ball joint things here and here, which can be replaced if you want. So we might do that, I don't know. The new ones I've got have new ball joints, so here they are, nice shiny ones. So I think I might replace these actually. Let's get a little spanner. So it looks to be what, a 10 mil that, is it? Oh, actually that one's pressed in, so we can't change that one. Now let's just do that one then. So this is just a 13 mil spanner. You just get your 13 mil out. There we go. So you just basically put it back in really. So that's a nice shiny. I'm going to use it because we've got it. Like I said, the one on the bonnet looks to be part of the hinge, so we can't get that one off. So we're just going to leave it. Nothing we can do about that one. This kit did come with 4 of these, so I'm only going to be using 2 of them by the looks of it. And there we go. But at least it's a nice shiny one. That feels more like a 12mm than a 13, but never mind, we've got it in. So here's a nice shiny one. So what I would do is get the top one in first, and they just clip on like that, and then you might need to push it in a bit or push the bonnet up a bit more like that, and then it just clips into place like that. So there you go. Very easy to do. These, they just clip back into place once you've removed them. So all you've got to do is do the one on the other side and you're sorted. Leave this, don't forget to leave the stick in. I mean, it will hold the bonnet up, but one strut, you know, there's a reason why there's 2 struts on it, because you need 2. You know, it's double the strength. So we'll do the other side now, and then job done. There we go. Remove the stick now, and it is now holding up the bonnet nice. It should be. There we go. Oh, that's a lot better. It's a lot stiffer, and it should. There we go. Should push the bonnet up by itself, which is what you would expect off a Jaguar. Something with a bit of quality on it. A bonnet that pushes itself up. So there we go. Done a good job of that. The big cat is happy. Look, the cat is smiling. I need to find it. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So there we go, guys. The big cat is happy once again. Nice big smiling face on the bonnet there. So I hope you got something out of this very short video. Fitting the struts to anything, this will work for your boot, and it will work for any car really. Anywhere where there's a strut, the struts are pretty universal. Just put the make and model in your car and they'll come up on any, like eBay, places like that. Even Amazon probably do them. But yeah, simple job to do. You can do it yourself, and that's taken me what, 5 or 10 minutes. So there you go, guys. Hope you got something out of the video. Don't forget to like and follow for more tips on your car or even building work in your house. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you again in another video soon.